Here's my review of AMACO's air dry clay. Make sure you look at that word right there, air dry clay. So no kiln needed, supposedly. This is what got me right here. It says natural clay. Well, natural clay's got to be fired. Model or sculpt, roll slabs, wheel thrown, treated to ensure freshness, whatever that is. Add water to dry pieces to soften the clay. So that tells me right there that it's never going to get really hard. But then it says to paint or seal when dry. On the instructions, nowhere on here does it say that you need a kiln. This is sold as air dry clay, and for a pretty penny, might I add. And this is only a little tiny 10-pound box. So to test it out, I made just a bunch of little medallions here. The first thing I noticed when I opened the clay is there was zero difference. I mean, this clay is exactly like my regular low-fire clay. I couldn't tell any difference at all, and I've used some of the air dry clays before, and they're all they feel like paper mache. This does not. This feels like regular clay. So I had high hopes. But then I let it dry, and I thought, well, this feels exactly like a piece that needs to be fired. Yeah, because it does. This is garbage. I would not use this for any sort of project that you planned on keeping. Once you go to the website, guess what it tells you to do? It tells you to fire it at 04. So bisque, fire it to get a strong, hard, oh my goodness, look at that. It just broke sitting there. To get a bisque hard project. This is false advertising. Don't waste your money. So I went ahead and fired these to bisque firing, which is 04, and then I painted them with an acrylic stain and then sealed them. You can watch my video on ornaments. So this clay is good as a regular low fire clay, not an air dry clay.